What's up guys, this is Karan here back with another video. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. After trying a lot of MIUI 12 based ROMs and also Android 10 based custom ROMs, finally I am back to Android version 9. As you can see, Android version 5.12 deduced with the latest security patch of 5th of June 2020, and vendor security patch is same of 5th of June 2020. As you already know about that, the CR Droid has a lot of features. It is just a feature packed custom ROM. So in this video I'm gonna show you that which are the features you get in CR Droid custom ROM, how's the performance, how's the camera, how is it going on, everything else in this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started right now. Okay, so we are here at the home screen. First of all, talking about the default launcher. The default launcher is actually based on launcher, but it's not launcher. As you can see, it's CR Droid Home version 9.0 based on launcher, which is the same as launcher. So I am not showing which are the customization options you get here. Theme, desktop, home, widget, dock, app drawer, everything is just same like the other launcher builds. Talking about other things, this kind of quick settings UI you get here after customization. As I already told you, it has a lot of customization options. This is how you can customize your quick settings, you can customize your header style and a lot more. Talking about here, you have a lot of extra tiles options to add, like you have the data saver tile, have the ambient display. You also get the reading mode options with including system profiles, volume panel. You also get the gaming mode, that's kind of interesting thing, and a lot more things to do. When you click here, you don't get any option to customize the rows and columns, but it has everything to adjust in settings. So moving on to some other things, we have the default camera, which is a Snapdragon camera, which is working perfectly fine, which has a lot of extra features. As you can see, auto mode, HDR mode, pro mode, etc. You can customize your device with this default camera also. But we have another choice, that is Gcam, and Gcam 7.3 is perfectly fine, including HDR plus. That's just awesome thing. And you have the portrait mode, camera mode, video mode, and a lot more. You can use anything. If you're wondering, I'm using full screen gestures. I'm using fluid navigation gestures, as you can see, F and G. If you don't know how to use this, how to apply this, I have already made a video today, so you can check out that how you can enable full screen gestures on Android version 9. Moving on to some other things, let me just show you the Geekbench score. The Geekbench score is also quite impressive. When you go to here, you can see 310 is the single core score and 1366 is the multi-core score, which is just awesome. Talking about the single core, 307 is the average one and we got 310 is good. But talking about the average score in multi-core, 1300 is the average one, we got 1366. That's just awesome, and this will improve the gaming, the multitasking, and I didn't got any lags till now. This is super smooth, super fast, everything is just good. Talking about the battery backup, I'm not sure about that. You have to test it on your own based on your usage. I cannot show you anything. In settings, we have almost all settings are same like all other custom ROMs, so I am not gonna show you any settings here. We just simply head over to CR Droid settings, where you get a lot of options to customize. First of all, we have a status bar customization, we got the quick settings customization options, we got the lock screen options, recents, navigation, buttons, user interface, notifications, sound, miscellaneous. There are already a lot of customization options, and under these things we have status bar icons customizations, clock customizations, we have data disabled indicator options, we have the option to customize our battery styles, we have the logo customization, and we have some other gestures also. I am gonna just show you the quick review about these features. I cannot show you all these features one by one because these are just a lot. You cannot even count these features, how many features these are. Talking about the quick settings, you have the rows and columns customization options. You got the custom header image, which I have already applied. As you can see, you can customize these things, and here in footer you have some other little bit of settings available too. In lock screen, all the normal settings, clock and date and interface, and here some gestures option. You get the face auto unlock option available. If you have suitable Google apps installed, you can use the face lock option available too. Navigation, recents, everything is just fine. Buttons, advanced, power menu, all the important features, necessary features are available. Go for it and try it out right now. Ambient display, animations, fonts you can customize on your own. There are a lot of fonts available, a lot. As you can see, these are just a lot. You can simply try out any of them. And in styles, you got the accent color, you got the style, you got the dark mode. You can customize the notification style, preference with style, quick settings, style, quick settings, header style, these kind of things, and some notification options, some sound related, and in miscellaneous, CPU info and gaming mode, etc. All these things. Go for it and try it out. I think these are just a lot to customize your device. In June 2020, using Android 9 based ROM is still worthy, so you can go and try it out right now. This was all from today's video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye. Have a nice day.